Hello YouTube. Guess what? I've got some company today. Look who it is.
Hello.
Cycling with Russ. So I've been chatting to Russ for a while now on YouTube and Instagram. We've always been talking about meeting up for a ride. So today we're going to be going over to York, hopefully to get a big kind of barbecue smoker sandwich from Shambles Kitchen. And then we've also found this place that does frozen custard in waffle cones and tubs, and they also do make your own kind of apple crumbles, rhubarb crumbles and stuff. So yeah, we're looking forward to that. Just heading over to York now from Leeds. It's about 2 hours or so each way. Just a quick check-in here with Russ. We're on the way to York on the York Cycleway, I think it is, where that famous sculpture, what do you call it, a sculpture? I don't know. Yeah, so it's absolutely boiling today, which is quite nice. The breeze is pretty good as well. What are you looking forward to today, Russ?
Food.
Food, yeah, same.
Food.
So I think we're only about 2 miles outside of York. Gonna head in there on the cycleway. Go to Shambles Market, like I said earlier, find some food, check out the cathedral, and then start heading back.
The frozen custard, let me tell you, today it's, I don't know, I'm looking at the watch, I don't tell me what temperature is, but it's got to be 26, 27. Frozen custard's going to be incredible. I'm going to bathe in it.
Just made it to the Shambles Kitchen. Time to check out the sandwiches. So we go at the Shambles Kitchen. We've gone for the beef Reuben. It's their own pastrami they make on their smoker in-house. And afterwards we're going to be going to the Crumbles frozen custard and hot custard store. This is so good. How is it, Russ? I'm taking that as a yes. So here we have, I asked for the hot rhubarb inside the waffle cone, frozen custard, strawberry sauce, crumble, and a little half strawberry garnish.
I'd like to tell you about mine, but it's too nice to share. Beautiful.
Yeah, this is top tier.